The year 2023 marks a significant milestone for European cycling enthusiasts, as the highly anticipated Koga Pace B05 e-bike has officially hit the market. This latest iteration of the Koga Pace series promises to redefine the way we think about electric bicycles, thanks to a slew of impressive features and advancements. The centerpiece of this electric marvel is a 250 watts mid-mounted Bosch motor and a massive 750 watt-hours battery, setting the stage for an extraordinary pedal-assisted journey, with a jaw-dropping range of 240 kilometers. This e-bike is no slouch when it comes to power and performance. The 250 watts mid-mounted Bosch motor is not only efficient, but also provides a maximum torque of 85 Nm. It offers top assistance speeds of up to 25 km per hour, ensuring a seamless and exhilarating ride. The B05 offers a range of power modes to cater to your specific needs. In Eco mode, it optimizes battery usage for maximum efficiency, ensuring you can explore more on a single charge. The Walk Assist mode is a handy feature for those times when you need a little extra pedaling support. The bike is equipped with an 11-speed Shimano gear system, offering smooth and precise shifting. Wide Schwalbe tires provide stability and control, making it ideal for tackling various terrains, from city streets to winding trails. The Koga Pace B05 keeps you in the loop with a Bosch Kiox display and smartphone app support. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to sync your smartphone to the bike, giving you access to valuable ride and performance statistics through the eBike Flow app. The removable 750 watt-hours battery is a standout feature, providing an astonishing range of up to 240 km in Eco mode. This means you can embark on extended journeys without worrying about running out of power prematurely. Safety is a top priority with Formula Cura hydraulic disc brakes and Supermoto X tires, ensuring you can confidently navigate even the most challenging conditions. An LED headlight, a modular rail system, a head tube light, and a kickstand make this e-bike exceptionally versatile. The B05 is available in a variety of dimensions to suit riders of different heights and preferences. Choose from a step-over or step-through appearance, and enjoy the comfort and style that suits you best. The new Koga Pace B05 e-bike has emerged as a beacon of modern electric cycling, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly transportation. Weighing in at up to 28.8 kilograms, the Koga Pace B05 is a lightweight powerhouse that is now making its mark in select parts of Europe, including the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and France. While the e-bike has captured the attention of cycling enthusiasts in these regions, it comes with a price tag of €5,299 or approximately $5,608, underlining its commitment to quality and performance. With the Koga Pace B05 2023, European cyclists can now explore their world with newfound freedom and convenience. This cutting-edge e-bike combines power, efficiency, and innovative technology to create a remarkable riding experience. Whether you're commuting through bustling city streets or seeking adventure on scenic trails, the B05 is ready to take you there, all while making a positive impact on the environment. Get ready to revolutionize your cycling experience with the Koga Pace B05 2023, where every ride is an extraordinary journey. Thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.